Okay, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and we're going to show you the VW Up fog lights and how to replace them if they're not working. Now, one thing to note is you've got fog lights on both sides, and these are on the bottom here, but one of them will be a reflector. This is a 2017, so do check, put a torch inside there. You can see there is the LEDs, that's the fog lights, in my case, on the driver's side, the right side. So you'll have potentially a reflector on one side and LED on the other. And the way to get in is basically you remove screws from this plastic cover. You can remove the wheel, which may make your life easier, but I'm lazy. So that plastic cover has a series of screws that literally you remove, and then you'll be able to get to the fog light, push it out, disconnect it. So the screws you're removing is this one here. So there's 4 screws in total. There is a bottom one here. There's another one just at the top here. And then the last and most important is there's one underneath as well, which is just on the left-hand side, and that is over there. And once you remove those 4 screws, obviously be careful with them, you can then get inside. But the thing you need to use is a small little ratchet, okay? And I'll put links to this in the comments. And this one is a T25, so it's not a Phillips head. Unfortunately, it's got like a unique size. And just to show you, this is how you undo it. So you do have the space in between. It is tight, but you can undo those screws and obviously hold on to them. Once you've got to that point, you've removed all of them, this plastic cover, these little lips, so you need to kind of push it towards the center of the car and then pull it away. Once you've got that open there, you have got limited space, but you can get in there. And unfortunately, sorry, it's very difficult for me to film. That is the back of the fog light there. That's the fog light with that funny little block. You've got a wire which you need to pull away from the bracket, and I've removed this screw already, but there is one screw, same size of the same screws that you removed from the plastic cover, so the same tool that you use to remove that screw there. And once you remove that and you remove the wire off the bracket, it's not a connector on the right, it's just literally sitting on a bracket, you can see already as I'm pushing it, it becomes quite loose. So let me just show you what it looks like when it's all connected. There's the screw that you can see nearest the camera, and then on the right hand side you've got that wire. Now the cable going from the fog light does go up into just to the right. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the camera in there. There is a connector there, you'll see it, and that connector you also do need to disconnect. So once you've undone this screw here and you've pulled that wire away, and you can see that's loose now, then you'll be able to, and you can do it with pushing it from the inside out, or you can try and take it from the outside, but hold on to that screw, don't lose that one. And now you're ready. You've disconnected that wire just to push it out, and you can see it will become loose. There you go. Don't let what I did and it just dropped to the floor. Now, once you've got the unit out, look for the part number on it, which is there. I will put a link to this on the right hand side, but there are different OEM numbers for different VW Ups out there. Now, I disconnected the connector inside, and that's the screw there, just to let you know, that's the screw that you've removed. So that's the only thing really holding it in place. Don't pull too much on the wire until you've disconnected it from the inside, okay, because you don't want to pull on that and break anything. But once you've disconnected it from the inside, again, I'm just showing you how to pull this away so you can pull it from the left hand side out. I've disconnected the connector. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the camera in there, but what you'll find is that little button on the top, you literally push that and you pull the 2 ends apart, okay, and it sits on a little bracket just on the inside. You'll know it when you see it. Now you're ready to install the new bit. So again, reverse of taking it out, make sure that that lead goes back into that hole, and I would recommend before doing everything up, put it back into the hole, put the connector in place and plug it into that loose connector that's now inside the car. You can put the screw in if you want, but for the purposes of testing before you actually screw everything up on the inside of these panels, I would recommend going to the front of the car, turning it on and checking the fog lights work. So in order to do that, just to be clear, so I've put this in, it's loose, start the engine, turn the lights on and turn the fog light on. So just pull the lever, you'll see the fog light symbol comes on the car there, and then you're literally just checking that the fog light works. Perfect. There you go. So now you can connect back all the little plastic bits and you're ready to go. Please do like and subscribe. It really does help us. We have put links at the bottom to some of the tools we use. And we have put links to the fog lights as well, but please do check that part number to ensure that it is the right part, because they can differ slightly on some of the VW ups. This is a 2017, but it doesn't mean that it'll be the same part. Okay, thanks for watching.